everyone, welcome back to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I'm Twyla, and I'm going to open up the Peaches and Petals March box for you guys. Today we're going to talk about what's in it. So this is the Peaches and Petals box for the month of March. It is a heavy box and it is a long box. So I'm excited to see what's in there. Peaches and Petals is a lifestyle box for women. It's a mystery box, but it's for women, and it is $19.99 a month. They do send it to us free for review. If I can find any coupon codes, I will link them down below in the description box, so check that out. Okay, so here is how it comes. It's heavy, and I see another box in here, and I will say this about Peaches and Petals. They don't package their stuff well. There are these little worms that they throw in here, and that's the extent of their packaging. Okay, so I got two cards in here, so let's see. So they have member offers, I guess, if you sign up for their subscription, and you can text their code and they'll keep you informed. And then they actually have a challenge on the back of the card this month that says, pick a plant to add to your home and keep it thriving. So just as add something new and beautiful to celebrate the new things this month. So not sure what their theme is, but let's get into the box. Okay. Let's run away. So this is just a little tote bag that says let's run away. It's not gusseted on the bottom, so it's not a very big tote. It's just a cute little tote, like for books and things. Maybe for some yoga things in here if you don't like to have a big bag when you carry. But that's a cute little tote. Let's run away. The next thing in here is chocolate. I do like chocolate. And Easter is coming up, so Green and Black's Pure Dark Chocolate. Oh, and dark chocolate is my favorite. I like the milk chocolate, but if I'm going to have just a snack, I like dark chocolate best. 70% cacao. Cacao, cacao, go! I don't know what this sticker is. It says Cocoa Life. I don't know what that sticker is. It says on the back what the sticker is about. All Green and Black's cocoa is sourced through Cocoa Life, a global program that invests in sustainable cocoa farming. Our partnerships improve the lives of cocoa farming communities, empower women, and inspire the next generation to secure a better future for all. Wow. So this is a chocolate that I can feel good about eating. Awesome. Okay, the next thing in here is from Occasionally Made, and it says the beach is my happy place. Oh, cute. It's got turtles on the bottom. That's cute. So that's a nice little kitchen towel or a hand towel for the bathroom maybe. And then the last thing that's in here is this huge thing. What is it called? It is called a Small Bites 5-piece Antipasti serving set. Wow. This is really heavy. That's why that's heavy. You know, something that's interesting about this packaging is there's supposed to be a piece of, it looks like it's been ripped off, cardboard that fits in here on both ends, and it's been ripped off. The box is about to fall apart. Oh, weird. Okay, this is really, really weird. I don't know what this is, but I don't know if you can tell that this package has been opened. I mean, it's been opened and it's broke. Okay, so these little ceramic dishes, they're not broken. They're little wrapped in bubble wrap, but they're cute little square dishes. Maybe you can see what I mean. See, this how the package came, and I found out that this right here, it goes on this right here, and so this is just a piece of slate. It's not glued down or anything, and you can see this goes here like that. Slate goes on top of it. Why that isn't glued down, I don't know. That makes no sense for that slate to not be glued down. I guess maybe for easier cleaning. I don't know. Maybe it was supposed to be. Here's what it's supposed to look like, is this cute little serving tray with your little dishes. You could use these for, taco bar. Like if you're having a taco night, you can put your cheese, your lettuce, your tomatoes, your onions in there. If you have a salad that you're putting out on the dinner table and not everybody likes the same ingredients, you could put your salad ingredients in here, your cranberries, your walnuts, your cheese, your croutons, your cucumbers, whatever that may be. It's a cute idea, but I don't even know what the theme is. I mean, none of this seems to go together. I mean, you would think chocolate for Easter, but a beach towel for your bathroom or your kitchen, a tote bag and this tray that seems to be, oh, it came off again. The little end came off again. Came off the other end now. So I don't think this is a very quality piece of entertaining dinnerware. But that's just my opinion. The dishes are nice. Okay, we've got an Antipasti tray, some chocolate, a towel, and a tote bag. Let's get to the nitty-gritty about this. This is $19.99 a month. Now they do send this to us free for review, and we do appreciate that. And our reviews are always honest. My thoughts are always going to be, what do I think about it? It's not going to be, they sent it to me for free and I should say something positive. So here's my thoughts. Is this box worth $19.99? Yes, I think there's $19.99 of value in here. I think this tray is probably anywhere from $10 to $15. This is probably a good $5, $3 piece of chocolate, a couple dollars for these. So yes, I do think the value of $19.99. Would I have paid $19.99 for this box? No. If I had paid $19.99 for this box, I don't think I'd be really happy with it. Number one, because the Antipasti serving set, to me, seems like the box had been opened and was returned. These little handles on the end have come off. They're not on there very well. The slate isn't glued down. I don't know if it's supposed to be, but I don't think it's a very good quality piece of dishware. So I don't like that. I like getting the kitchen towels in there. And I don't mind a tote bag, but I don't know that this is a very useful tote bag. I mean, if I had kids, this would be something that I would have the kids put their school stuff in instead of a backpack, you know, hanging on the shoulder and they can carry it. So there's just not a lot you can do with a tote bag that is this small. Maybe you can take it with you to church, although it says let's run away. Maybe I can take it with me when I go grocery shopping. I can put my fruit in here. I like the tote bags. I just would prefer a bigger bag. I think these are cute, but they've sent some of them before, and these are just not big enough for an adult to do much with. Do I seem like I'm unhappy with the box? I'm very appreciative that they sent it to me free for review, but my opinion, I would not have been happy if I had paid $19.99. The only thing in here that I'm going to use is this chocolate. I'll eat it. I'm not going to use the tote bag. I'm not going to use this beach towel. It's cute. I might just give it away. I mean, you know, put it in my gift thing, which is what I end up doing a lot of times. I'm not sure that I would give this little Antipasti set. I mean, look at those handles. They're just, they come off. I don't know that I would give this away to a friend or somebody as a gift because it's just not, it's not a very good quality. And I feel like that what they sent me was a return item, just the way the packaging arrived. So, and Peaches and Petals, I love you guys, but you need to package your boxes better. This could have been a serious accident because this is slate. All of these could have been broken. So, because it was just in the bottom of the box and there was no padding, there was no packaging whatsoever. And that's the only downside about Peaches and Petals is they don't pad. There's no protection in their boxes. Everything is just thrown in there. So, that's my, oh man, I feel like I was so bad with them this month. I did like everything in here. No, I didn't. I don't like this tote bag. I mean, it's cute. It says let's run away, but it's really not useful to me. Maybe I need more coffee. I sound negative. I hate to sound that way. I hate to sound unappreciative, but no, let's just leave it with that. I hate to sound unappreciative. I'm giving my honest thoughts here. So, all right. I do appreciate that they send this box to me for free. I have said honest thoughts about it in the past where we didn't think that the value of the box was there, and I think that they're a good company and that they appreciate it. They put a lot of thought into no, I don't know if they put a lot of thought into it. I'm confused. There wasn't really a theme. As something new and beautiful to celebrate the new things this month brings. Spring makes us think of fresh starts, new beginnings, and the arrival of something beautiful. But there wasn't anything fresh. You know what I mean? Springy, a new beginning. There wasn't a seed kit, like an herb kit. That would have been something that they, instead of putting this little tray in here for spring, they could have put like an herb kit with the seeds and the little things to plant your herbs. That would have been a great new beginning, fresh spring theme. I don't know. I'm running out of thoughts. I just don't think this was a good month for Peaches and Petals. Sorry. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for a little while. Come back and see us again. I love it when you do. Mwah. Bye.